Hi, my name is Val Hansen, and I am the acting principal at Holy Cross Elementary. Unfortunately, we're unable to hold our annual open house this year for parents of children entering kindergarten in the fall. We made this video to give you an overview of our school and our awesome kindergarten program. Holy Cross is part of the Lakeland Catholic School Division. We offer a faith-based program where Christian values are taught and promoted. We follow the Government of Alberta Program of Studies and are publicly funded, meaning there are no tuition fees for parents at our school. Students at Holy Cross are engaged daily in an anti-bullying program that we call Moral Intelligence. Maintaining a safe and caring school environment while intentionally teaching skills such as empathy, kindness, respect, self-control, and problem solving is a top priority at Holy Cross. We also focus on local and international social justice action through this program. We have a trained music teacher who delivers programming to all K-6 students throughout the year. We also have tons of fun at Holy Cross throughout the year. We have monthly assemblies, special theme days, muffin mornings, and hot lunches organized by our parent volunteers. We have whole school presentations, visits from Courage, one of our school mascots, a variety of extracurricular programs, including such things as art club, drama club, choir, science fair, and sports teams that students are able to participate in as they move up the grades. Our kindergarten students go on local field trips to places like the fish hatchery and the fire hall. Special guests come into the classroom, such as our annual bus safety program in the fall. Teachers plan special activity days for things like Halloween, Christmas, Valentine's Day, 100 days of school, and other special holidays and events. Kindergarten students are also part of our annual Christmas concert. We will now move on to our classroom support teacher and family outreach worker for a little bit more detail about their roles in the school, followed by each of our kindergarten teachers who will give you an overview of literacy, numeracy, play, and our social skills programs.
Hello, my name is Joanne Ward, and I am the classroom support teacher at Holy Cross Elementary. My role at the school is to support staff, students, and parents in carrying out educational goals for different students in the school. How this looks is we often have students that require extra services such as speech language or occupational therapy. So part of my job is to set up meetings between a speech pathologist or an occupational therapist, testing and goal setting and actual carrying out of programs to support our students. Some students require different goals than are set in the regular curriculum. And as a result, we create what are known as individual program plans for these students. I help coordinate the setting up of these, and I set up meetings between parents, teachers, and myself to review these goals and talk about successes and next steps for our students. I look forward to seeing you all in the fall.
Hello, my name is Mrs. Hartzell and I'm the family outreach worker here at Holy Cross School. In kindergarten, I get connected with kids in the classroom by going in and teaching a program called Second Step. This is a basic social skills program, but it is super fun and the kids love it. And they will always ask, when is Puppy coming? This is Impulsive Puppy and he's got some concerns with how to behave in the classroom and school, and we have a lot of fun as we're teaching these skills. And I also have another puppet called Slow Down Snail, who gives puppies some good advice and helps them learn how to get along and function effectively at school. Along with that, my bigger role in the school is to provide supportive counseling to students and families to, I guess, most effectively make kids be able to focus their attention on learning. So welcome to Holy Cross. I hope you choose this school for your child.
Hi there, my name is Miss Sullivan and I am a kindergarten English teacher at Holy Cross Elementary School. In kindergarten at Holy Cross, we value the importance of literacy and recognize that students retain information at a higher rate when learning through games and activities. In our kindergarten programs, students are beginning to develop the understanding that letters have names as well as sounds which translate to words when put together. Throughout the year, students use games and activities to develop their writing skills, develop their vocabulary, and practice word recognition in both the French program and the English. At Holy Cross, we have literacy programs to supplement our teaching. In French, we use the Raconte-moi l'alphabet program and the book series Paul et Suzanne. In English, we use the Jolly Phonics program. Love of literacy materials are used to encourage the development of early reading in both languages. We hope to see you in the fall.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Dar, and I'm a kindergarten English teacher here at Holy Cross. I'm going to talk to you about the importance of play in our kindergarten program. Here at Holy Cross, we do a social thinking program called The Incredible Flexible You. Social thinking teaches children to develop the skills they need to be flexible social thinkers and problem solvers. Students are taught about the social mind, social expectations, their own thinking, and the thoughts of others to help them to make better decisions during social play and interactions. The Incredible Flexible You program is a 10-book program that we focus on throughout the year. We incorporate the program throughout our daily activities. Here at Holy Cross, we stress the importance of literacy, numeracy, and play. Dramatic play puts the social thinking into practice. Play encourages children to put themselves in someone else's shoes. Structured play, through our themes, is where there is a predetermined set and determined outcome. Children choose and assign roles from what is available and then work through problems that arise. Unstructured play is where children have the freedom to choose their own play and scenarios. An example of this is one year our classroom couch became Santa's sleigh in our Santa's workshop. We provide our students at Holy Cross opportunities to experience both structured and unstructured play. We look forward to seeing you in the fall.
Hi, my name is Madame Nadine, and I am the French Immersion Kindergarten at Holy Cross. And today, I would like to talk to you about numeracy in kindergarten. Our numeracy is divided in 5 strands. We have numbers, measurement, shape, sorting, patterning. Also, all of our activities are through play throughout the year. We use technology to enhance our teaching and engage the students. Our kindergarten team is looking forward to seeing you in the fall.
As you have seen, Holy Cross offers a strong, balanced play-based program. We are proud to offer this program in both English and French immersion. The French immersion program is specifically designed for students and families whose first language is not French. Students master French in the same way they learned English. They begin by hearing French, mimicking words, and gradually progress until they are speaking in full sentences. The acquisition of the French language happens naturally as the students are immersed in the language on a daily basis. Second language acquisition skills are stronger in younger students. Their brains are like sponges, making kindergarten the perfect time to start learning a second language. Teachers use gestures, mimes, actions, pictures, and objects to help support language learning. English language arts is introduced in grade 3. Reading strategies are the same in every language. Therefore, students pick up the English reading and writing very quickly, and by the end of grade 3 are typically on par with grade 3 students in the English program. Thank you for watching our overview of our kindergarten program. If you have any further questions, you can call me at the school or send me an email. Registration is open. You can register by going to our school website, filling out the online form, and emailing it to the address indicated with the registration information. We are looking forward to having you join the Holy Cross family for the 2020-2021 school year.